Welcome friends to our channel which is the Adab Punjabi. Today I'm going to show you my garden overview with plants name in monsoon season. So let's start. First here is DIY doll planter. It has made by joining two pots with nut and bolt, and I used acrylic colors to give doll appearance. And plant name is asparagus. This is the jade plant. I'm trying to make into a bonsai plant. Next, these are some toys of my child, and you can see I have grown money plant and purslane flowers into it. Now there is a collection of coleus plant. For faster root growth, I have put it in water. There is another summer plant which has orange flowers. I don't know its name. If you know, please mention in comment section. These are some hibiscus collection. Now this is the mango tree which I have shown in my previous video, that how to ripen raw mangoes by organic method. I use tires as pot to grow different plants in it. I have maximized the use of waste products. In this round container, I have dug a pit beneath it to make compost, which I will collect after the monsoon season. The compost is made up of only kitchen waste. Now, these are the climbers of ridge gourd called tori and bitter gourd called karela. These are purely organic. I have grown these from last year's seeds. Every year when the season is over, I collect seeds and save it for the next year. This is the split leaf philodendron, very big leaves. This plant is rain lily. You can see the bloom in rainy season. Next is elephant ear plant, which has huge big leaves. After that, tulsi, medicinal plant. Next is ticoma. Ticoma gives orange flowers. Now these are some fragrant plants called double petal jasmine, queen of night and mogra, which gives nice fragrance in night. From here, kitchen garden starts. This is ladyfinger, a summer vegetable. Now this area looks like little messy because this area is reserved for kitchen composting. You can see a little mango plant grown itself. I will repot it very soon. Now you are watching a citrus fruit called mosambi. Next is Christmas tree, which is 4 to 5 years old, and this is curry plant, which is only grown few months back. This is a berry which will give fruit in the month of March. These all vegetables are organic. No pesticide and insecticide is used. I will also encourage my viewers to opt the organic gardening. Most of kitchen consumption is fulfilled from our kitchen garden. You can always enjoy the fresh and organic vegetables and fruits. At the other end, again fragrance plants called Queen of Night. Now you can see Giloy, which has great medicinal property. This is a very hardy plant, grows in any weather. Growth rate is very fast. As you can see, this is only 2 months old climber. Now come to the other section of ornamental plants. Its name is Purple Heart, a summer plant, very hardy. This is grown by its cutting. I have taken the cutting last year from local park. It becomes very bushy now. Next is money plant, again a hardy plant. Then ribbon grass. After that rain lily, which is pink and white in color. This is Sadabahar called Vinca, having pink beautiful flowers. Next is collection of Syngonium, again a very hardy plant. Now come to my favorite section. This is my favorite collection of plant called snake plant. Very hardy, beautiful and air purifiers. This is dwarf variety. I have grown in broken cup. Here is again DIY of waste thelly. I painted it with acrylic colors. It adds charm to my garden and I have grown ribbon grass in this thelly. Again there are collection of coleus plant, very beautiful. Then a hardy plant called Royo, green and purple in color. After that Portulaca called the Parkidi. In hanging pots I have grown money plant. During monsoon season, the growth of plants are at its peak. Plants love the humid temperature. If you are a beginner and you can start your garden in this rainy season. Come to another row. First one is areca palm. Second is elephant leaf, which we already have seen. Third one is asparagus, beautiful lush green. Then crouton. The leaves are looking like that somebody has sprinkled yellow paint on it. Love the leaves. After that ponytail palm, 3 to 4 year old, very hardy. Next is ficus. Then jade plant. a succulent variety. Next is Dracaena, Rohio, and again Coleus. Look at the outline of these beautiful leaves. So this is how it is look from front side. I reserved this area for flowers. This is the broken toy in which purslane is grown. Again Coleus, then Zinnia, summer flower plant, then Lantana, beautiful yellow flowers. Now see the beauty of purslane. Beautiful tiny pink color flowers. Honeybees are also extracting flower juice. This is fern. Fern and all climbers have covered the boundary. It gives a green sheet appearance. So friends, this is all about my monsoon garden tour. Without any assistance of Mali, me and my father-in-law has taken care of our own garden. Once in a 15 days, I give liquid fertilizer to my plants. In free time, I indulge myself into gardening as it is my hobby. Most of the plants are grown by its cutting. Very few plants have come from nursery. 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네 너 때문에. So friends, if you like our hard work in garden, do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe our channel, The Arab Punjabi. Thank you. 지쳐 그만 널로